How does it work? Pipelining. Scale has built up, and roots have entered the waste pipe, blocking the flow of water. The pipe is inspected for breaks and blockages with a special camera. Any blockages are broken up with a spinning tool called a chain knocker. Remaining debris is washed away with a high-pressure water jetter. A liner, impregnated with a UV-cured resin, is inflated into the pipe. The air pressure keeps the liner pressed against the walls of the pipe, while a UV light is used to cure the resin. This hardens and bonds the liner to the pipe, making it strong, leak-free, and ready for the next 50 years. For more information, visit colonialweb.com.